Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about 4 part-time remote positions urgently hiring. The pay ranges from $14 to $35 an hour. So let's get into it. The first company is a company called Spate, and they are looking for a data operations manager for the food and beverage department. It's remote, it's a contract, and it's part-time. So let's jump into the description. They are currently seeking a highly skilled and motivated part-time data operations manager to join their team, beginning at 20 hours a week. As the data operations manager, you will play a critical role in ensuring the seamless flow of data, optimizing data management processes, and supporting the successful execution of data projects for Spate's food and beverage vertical. This role is ideal for a serious professional dedicated to bringing trend forecasting solutions to food and beverage industry players. Let's look at the role responsibilities. You will develop Spate's food and beverage database and ensure its good quality, manage relationships with data entry support teams, analyze data sets, monitor and troubleshoot data issues, collaborate with cross functional teams on developmental projects, develop and maintain data documentation, analyze data flows, and identify opportunities for process improvements, curate interesting and unique trends for Spate's content. Now, the minimum requirements: at least 1 to 3 years of professional experience working within a team. Do not be intimidated by that requirement. If you ever worked at McDonald's, Burger King, or any fast food place, you've worked within a team. So, there you go. Proficiency in the use of Excel and Google Sheets, excellent analytical skills with the ability to identify data related issues and propose solutions, demonstrate ability to work independently and handle multiple projects simultaneously, ability to communicate efficiently in cross cultural teams, curiosity, a high attention to detail, good common sense, and good work ethics are essential to thriving in this position. You must be located in the United States within the Eastern Time Zone. Preferred qualifications doesn't even matter if you meet the minimum requirements. Benefits. This position pays between $30 and $35 an hour. So that is Spate. The second position we're looking at is with a company called ABC Legal. Their website is abclegal.com. They're looking for a data entry specialist, and it's a remote position. It's also part-time. So basically, what does ABC Legal do? They're process servers. So let's look at the job overview. The e-fulfillment specialist reviews and files legal documents utilizing online platforms and tools developed by ABC Legal, meaning their software is proprietary. This role works closely with the e-fulfillment and e-filing team to collaborate on projects, resolve issues as they arise, and meet common goals. Key responsibilities: review and file legal documents using internal systems and email, participate in ongoing training to expand knowledge of industry and process, investigate discrepancies as they arise, complete additional projects as assigned. Qualifications: no experience necessary. Data entry is a plus. High school diploma or GED required. Ability to perform repetitive tasks with accuracy. Exceptional attention to detail. Desire and ability to be a team player. Experience and basic proficiency with Microsoft Office products. Typing speed at 50 to 60 words per minute. Let's scroll down. Retirement plan with 5% matching, 10 paid holidays, referral, work home flexibility, and the starting pay is between $14 and $16 an hour. The third company we're looking at is Correlation One, and they are looking for a career transition coach. They develop workforce skills for the AI economy. Let's see. Enterprise and governments work with us to develop talent and close critical data, digital, and technological gaps. Our global programs, including data skills for AI data competitions, also empower underrepresented communities and accelerates careers. Our mission is to create equal access to data-driven jobs of the future. So that's basically what the company does. Let's scroll down and look at the position. The key objectives of this position: facilitate career transitions, assist each learner in transitioning into a new role, either internally or within their field of study. In outcome reporting, identify and report outcomes that may occur outside of the coaching relationship. Okay, so let's look at a day in the life of alumni cohort management. 60%, which is 8 to 10 hours per week. Cohort oversight and progression, engagement plans, develop and implement individualized engagement plans, targeted outreach, lead targeted outreach campaigns across various platforms, status updates, conduct regular campaigns to update cohort job search statuses, data analysis, pretty self-explanatory, job sharing, share employer partner job opportunities, record keeping and appointment tracking, collaboration, continuous improvement. Career coaching piece: professional development support, alumni engagement, communication records. Your expertise: performance driven, proactive and creative, detail oriented, goal oriented, organized, and adaptable. Where you are: this role is remote, and the ideal candidate will be located anywhere in the United States or Canada. We are headquartered in New York City and have office space in Midtown Manhattan. Compensation: the compensation range for this position is specific to location. So this position pays $33 an hour. And the fourth company we're looking at is Air Care Health, and they are hiring for a remote care advocate, customer experience, part-time phone-based position. Let me bring your attention to something. It says full-time remote here. Over here it says part-time, 20 hours. For the purposes of this video, I'm reviewing part-time jobs. However, they do have full-time jobs available. So let's scroll down. Why we need you. They're growing. So that will tell you why they have multiple positions open with the same title. We need your professional and focused determination to connect the populations we serve to the resources they require. Okay, I will not read that whole paragraph to you. Let's scroll down. Who you are. You are passionate, you're open-minded, you make daily differences in the lives of those you touch each and every day. You are the person people ask for guidance, help, and direction. You are an optimist. You remove obstacles. You are hope. You are an individual with at least 1 year of outbound customer service experience in the following capacity: call center, claims, benefit, fundraising, or healthcare scheduling practices. They're also looking for someone who's passionate about mental health and emotional well-being. You are an individual with an obvious sense of urgency, someone with demonstrated excellence in providing outstanding customer service, motivated to help others, and you should be aligned with their core values, their mission, and their vision. You're excited about being the first point of contact. You have excellent interpersonal skills. You are focused and determined and optimistic. You are a college graduate or have an associate's degree in a customer-related field. You are interested in working remotely and reside in one of these states. There's a whole list there. So what you'll do: proactively reach out to individuals via phone to offer help and support according to program requirements. That's the job in a nutshell. Let's scroll down. Note that this position is remote. Let's scroll down some more to see what the salary is on this position. Okay, Air Care didn't have a salary, so I did do some digging, and this position starts at $21 an hour. And again, I would encourage you to look at other positions. Since they are growing, there are a lot available.